All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to change the filter on this Ridgid portable vac, 4-gallon, 5.0 peak HPR. I just got these in the mail from Amazon. Let's take a look at them. There they are, brand new filters. Got 2 of them. So we're going to put one of these in there. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right, because filters are dirty, I want to be able to breathe. I'm going to put one of these masks on. Shit. Before I do that, I got to put the gloves on. So the way I do it is I get the gloves out like this, blows them up, then I can slide my hand in easy. Just like that. Second glove, same thing, right? And then I can slide my hand in nice and easy. All right, next, now I can put this on, because I don't want to breathe this stuff. Now we can take the filter out and put the new one in. Okay, let's get this one out of its bag. Brand new. Look at that baby. This thing's nice and clean. All right, so to get this out of here, you got to grab these, pop them up. You got to get this out of here. Pop this one up, and then if I pick it up, turn it like that, you can see the filter. And you can see it's pretty dirty, right? So if you notice, right here's like a nipple. So to get this off of here, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just kind of grab it here, and it pops off. See? And then I guess we could clean it a little bit better. You can see it's nasty. And then to get the new one on, all we have to do is we got to push that nipple through that hole, that nipple right there. So we just slide it in there until you get it right about there, right? And then all I've got to do is push down, and bam, it's on. To get it off, bam, put your thumb on it and pull up, get it on, just like that. And that's it. That's all you do. Having trouble getting it off, put your thumb here, hands on either side of these little catches. You see them? And pull. And that's how you get the filters on and off. So let's go ahead and put that on. And we got it on there good. Then we just got to flip it over. Set her in there. Set it in like that. You see? And then these just kind of pop over like that. There's one. Here's the other one. Now we're ready to vacuum. And that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.